Hey everyone! Today, we're making a comforting, home-style egg curry using nothing but this basic electric rice cooker. Whether you're a student or just looking for a one-pot meal, this is a lifesaver. Let us get started with boiling the eggs first. My 1.8-liter rice cooker came home with two inner pots. So I am using the first one for boiling the eggs and second one for the curry. The pot has sufficient space for boiling 15 to 20 eggs in a single batch. Add half teaspoon of salt while boiling the eggs in water. Check out the ingredients and quantities flashing on the screen throughout the recipe. This way you can cook perfect Indian-style egg curry at home without using the gas oven. Potatoes and eggs are dry items. When frying these, the cooker flips from the cook mode to warm light automatically. Cover the inner pot with the lid and wait for some time and then continue again. My inner pot is aluminum. You'll notice some patches of eggs and potatoes sticking to the base. Do not leave the cooker unattended at this point. The brownish traces of food mix as well when cooking the gravy. It gives a nice texture to the curry. When you place the empty inner pot with oil for the gravy, it may not press the spring to the bottom. Cover with the lid for the extra weight. This ensures you can now turn the switch to cook mode. Once the eggs and potatoes are out, the real magic starts. We go in with the whole spices, onions, and tomatoes. This is the most important part, as the onions and tomatoes cook down together, they release moisture. This actually helps deglaze the pot. All those brown bits from the eggs and potatoes? They'll lift right off and blend into the gravy, adding a ton of flavor. Keep stirring occasionally. If the cooker keeps clicking to warm, just be patient. This slow moisture cooking is actually making your gravy richer. If you want the exact measurements for these spices or a step-by-step breakdown you can print out, head over to my blog, easygoodfood.in. I put together a full, in-depth guide there with extra culinary tips to help you master rice cooker cooking. It's my go-to spot for helping you make great food without the stress. The link is in the description below. And there you have it, home-style egg curry made entirely in a rice cooker. If this helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me grow. I have kept the recipe simple. You can find everything in the kitchen pantry. No grinding or complex steps. Do not put the dry red chili if you are making this curry for the kids. Once the masala is ready, we add our water and put the potatoes back in. Close the lid and let it simmer. Wait for some time to allow the potatoes to soak in the moisture, spices, and salt for a rich taste. After some time, open the lid and check if the potatoes have softened or not. When the potatoes are soft enough, it is time for the eggs to go in. Safety checks, watch the steam vent. It gets very hot, so make sure the cooker isn't tucked under a low cabinet where the steam can damage the wood. Always ensure you are using suitable power plugs for uninterrupted and problem-free electricity supply. The beauty of the rice cooker is that once the liquid reduces to a certain point, it might click to warm automatically, which prevents the curry from burning. It's like having a built-in sous chef.